Recent celebrity deaths have prompted many people struggling themselves to reach out for help. Suicide prevention hotlines are reporting a large uptick in calls across the country. Ashley Edlin looked into if we're seeing that spike around here.
Celebrities Kate Spade and Anthony Bourdain took their own lives last week. Meanwhile, 211 Lifeline, a crisis suicide intervention hotline in Rochester, has received 700 calls since Friday. That averages to a little less than 200 calls a day and is double the number of calls they normally get. Chaku Mathai at the Mental Health Association of Rochester says those numbers speak for themselves.
It is that we have to look at, where we're failing in preventing suicide.
He says Spade and Bourdain's deaths, while tragic, could shine a light on that.
It does this thing in community where people start to reflect, well, what is going on? Are we able to reach each other?
Some in the community say they've already seen it, like Maeve Reed with Stop the Stigma Rock, a nonprofit organization working to prevent teen suicide.
I got maybe 6 or 7 emails last week right after Kate Spade's death. I think that it's an opportunity to discuss the complexity of suicide.
Now, officials tell us those calls we mentioned for the 211 hotline came not only from people who said they had suicidal thoughts, but from people who were asking for help for someone else. Adam.
Ashley, thanks. For the Crisis Suicide Intervention Hotline in Rochester, just dial 211 or 1-877-FLNY211. You can also call the National Suicide Prevention Hotline at 1-800-273-8255.